प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा।
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. In aviation, there is a concept called clear air turbulence. And Honorable Minister, sir, must be aware that there is turbulence in the aviation sector. And as a result of which you see, which has been caused by, I think, high landing charges, then high parking fees, and then aviation, the fuel, etc., rupee depreciation, not to forget. So my concern is, we are all familiar with a king of good times. Now he's emperor without clothes. Now we are familiar with what happened to Jet Airways. When these airlines and a dozen airlines have disappeared in thin air, in the clear air turbulence in last few years, you know, they impact families. They leave you with bleeding images. And why it is happening? We are seeking solution from a source which is the cause of the problem, that is blatant, brazen privatization. I stand against it. I know the bill will be passed, but I want my voice to be recorded for posterity. This is my second concern. So, teachers are using in business ethics class in business schools the case studies of how not to lend loans to some of these airlines which faltered subsequently. Can't the government have some kind of wisdom derived from those business ethics class and then apply it in their policy framework, sir? So, I'm told that there is a commitment to private airlines. Why not the same commitment to public sector undertakings, including Air India? Sir, the other day I was coming from Imphal. Sir, महाराजा जो एयर इंडिया के हैं, वो लग रहा था हाथ जोड़ के कह रहे थे कि मुझे बचा लो, मुझे बचा लो। सर, महाराजा को बचाना ये सिर्फ विपक्ष नहीं, सत्ता पक्ष की जिम्मेदारी भी है। एक नेशनल कैरियर आपका है, वो आपका प्राइड है, और हम उसको प्रतिदिन नया नाम देते हैं ताकि उसका कत्ल किया जा सके, उसको ज़िबा किया जा सके। सर, मैं आग्रह करूंगा माननीय मंत्री महोदय जी से, माननीय मंत्री महोदय जी, सर एयर इंडिया को बचा लीजिए, हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं, महाराजा को बचा लीजिए, वो कॉमन मैन का महाराजा है। सर, एरा, AERA, I wish to tell you, it was created to look after the interest of the consumers as well as the interest of the airlines. It has summarily failed to protect either the consumers or the airlines. What I wish to say, sir, that when it happens, you rename, you reclassify, you say from 1.5 to 3.5, all these appear as an alibi. Alibi, I say it, for going for privatization. There would a time would come, Honorable Minister, sir, you would agree that the House agreed to your bill. I might join in, but the fact is, this may not prove to be in national interest subsequently, sir. Sir, nobody is asking. एक आखिरी टिप्पणी कर देता हूं। आखिरी टिप्पणी यह है, सर, हमारी प्राथमिकताएं कोई और तय कर रहा है। सरकारें आती हैं, सरकारें जाती हैं, लेकिन सरकारों की प्राथमिकताएं सरकार के ही लोग तय कर रहे हो, सर, ऐसा नहीं है। मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूं इस सदन में, क्रोनी पूंजी के हाथ बहुत लंबे हैं, वो इधर भी दिखते हैं, वो उधर भी दिखते हैं। उस हाथ से हम सबको डरना चाहिए, सर। कुछ नहीं बचेगा हमारे नाम राष्ट्र की संपत्ति के नाम पर, नेशनल कैरियर के नाम पर। अतः जो मैंने शुरू में कहा कि महाराजा की आंखों में आंसू है, सर, उसे पोंछ दीजिए, उसे बचा लीजिए। शुक्रिया।
धन्यवाद झा जी।